Hi there, I'm Dan with Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a standard modern 1710 engine lathe for you here today. This machine features a 3-inch spindle hole, and it's got an Accurate 2-axis readout on it. It has inch metric threading on it built into it. It's got inch metric dials on it. It's a nice low hour machine. It's got a taper attachment on it. It's got electric clutch and brake on it. And it's got a good spindle speed range. Goes from 34 up to 2000 RPM. I'll run the machine for you here. Just the on and off is controlled by this red handle here. It's got a good brake on it. Switch it to another speed here. This is 375. This will be 1563, be pretty fast. We'll put it in low range. This will be 188. Adjustable stop here, feed to the stop, and pick out the feed. Versus the feed direction. It's got indexable stop here on it. Also has a 4-way tool post on it that comes with it. It's got an adapter on here for tool and the Loris type. It also comes with follow rests here. See the DRO is working up there, counts. Good machine. You have any questions, give us a call.